Well, I went to my favorite hobby shop that has the discounted plane kits that I like getting, vintage kits. But I got some sad news. He's gonna be closing up shop December 31st. The name of the shop is Bad Al Hobby. He's in Millbrook Heights in Ohio. If you want to get a hold of him, just Google Bad Al Hobbies. He's out all of the regular car kits and truck kits and aircrafts and everything else at 30% off. And he's got RC stuff. So if you guys want to get RC stuff, he's got that also. So let me show you what I picked up today. I got this vintage Johan P47D, which you can build it as a Razorback or a bubble top, which is very unique. No decals in this one, but they're probably gone anyways. But they look pretty good. I probably could find some extra decals for it. So, what else I get? I got Nakajima K87. These kits are very good. They're molded in the gray plastic, I believe it was, and everything is covered in plastic. I mean, this is like pre, um, you know, kind of like what Tamaya does with their stuff, but this is made in the Czech. And I picked up this one also. What else we got here? We got the Blackbird Rock Mark One. Not sure where this one comes from, but you guys can probably tell me later. I thought it was kind of unique. It has that little bubble thing in the back there. So, and we got a Henschel HS 129A, which is very cool. Then we got another Japanese jet. Oh, there we go. Navy torpedo bomber. So this is 172 scale, molded in many colors, and very cool kit. Very unique. What I like about it, it's very simple to paint, just like two-tone green with a little bit of yellow, and slide the red decals onto it, like for Japan. And you got and put a clear dull coat on it. So it's very cool plane. So uh, that's my sad but happy news about one of my favorite hobby shops I would go to. And if you guys are in the Ohio area and you're on vacation and you're in Millbrook Heights area, look up Bad Al's. He's right off of Smith Road. There's a little bit of construction there, but if you're looking for a certain kit and you want to get a discount on it and you want to support the local hobby shops, be my guest. Go over there, buy as many as you want, and bring them home and build them. And these right here, if you're into the aircraft stuff, these started out at 10 a piece about a year ago, and they are currently marked down to $4 a piece. So if you want some vintage plastic model kits, be my guest and go in there and check them out and buy as much as your um, pocketbook will allow you. And y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching, guys. Remember, support your local hobby shops. The chain stores have stores all over, but if we can support our local hobby shops, keep them in business, because they're basically running day by day operations, and the you know the franchise hobby shops like Hobby Lobby and all them, they're just running on a budget that's set above by CEOs and stuff. So, but your regular hobby shops, they're running on the budget that the owner can afford to do and what he can afford to do time wise too. So, like I said, guys, support your local hobby shop and help them out and keep them going, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. And this is Doug, and Doug's out. All right. Bye.